The public health nurses, they do, we see the clients in many settings, home visiting, like we see them in the home, or we see them in the community, in the office, in the schools. So the Somali family services, they are the part of the community in Somalia that we really invested to see the Somali community to be the lead, so then they can help the other Somali people. So the women, they are the backbone in the community, and they need support. So public health nurses, they give that support. We usually, when we meet them, we empower them. We teach them, we direct them, we link them, and we provide the resources that they need in the community.